Today is Saturday, May 10th, and today I learned that you should celebrate the small wins. Celebrate the small wins. Because even though it may seem too small to celebrate, it may seem like something is too small or too insignificant, the small wins are what get you the big wins, right? They're it's the small wins that slowly grow and slowly you can build off of, right? So the small wins are really important, and I think we should normalize celebrating the small things, right? Because recently, with softball tryouts and stuff, and I got on the team and it didn't seem like a big deal to me, but then the people around me are like, oh, good job, and I'm like, oh yeah, I should be celebrating the small wins, no matter how insignificant or small it is. A win is a win. Right? It's like that. It's like that sound. A win is a win. And so no matter how big or small, you have to celebrate it, because if you're just constantly striving for new things without celebrating what you already have, without appreciating what you already have, you're not gonna be fulfilled in any way. You're not gonna be appreciative in any way, and it's just, you're gonna get burnt out, right? You need to find a way to appreciate the small wins, celebrate the small wins, even in a small way, right? You don't have to celebrate the small wins in a big way. Just celebrate the small wins in a small way, and slowly you're gonna see that those small wins will build up, and that you will be in a place that you never expected to be in. I don't know, that's just a really small thing that I learned today, and that I've been learning over the past few days, so I thought I would share. Celebrate the small wins, and don't feel ashamed for celebrating the small things, right? Because it's important. So if you want to share your small wins or any wins in general, then I have a Discord, so you can join in the description below. There's a specific channel where you guys could just share your wins. So if you want that, if you want a community of people who are just trying to learn every day and get better at life, then you can join the Discord with the link in the description. If you want to see more videos, then definitely subscribe. If you found this video helpful, then definitely leave a like or a comment. This is the video I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.